In this next video, I'm going to essentially do the opposite of what I did in the last video, showing how it works. So I showed you how to hide things, and now I'm going to show you how to see things. So if you notice up here at the top, I'm using my arrow to the left, and I can only get to column B, and I can see column C. There's no D and there's no E, but it goes to F and G. Okay, I'm looking at my rows on the left side here, and I see a number 1, a 4, a 7, an 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I were to open up my sheet and it looked like this, I would know that columns have been hidden, and I would know that rows have been hidden. So I've worked on objective 1, and now I want to work on objective 2, and I want to see those instructions again. So I'm going to do something, and I'm going to warn you, it'll look a little crazy at first. And then I'm going to show you how to make it less crazy. Okay, so see up at the very top corner how I have a little, looks like 2 arrows pointing in different directions. What I did is I put that, that's essentially showing me where column A is at. I'm going to double click on that. And then I'm going to use my arrow, and look, there it is again. But look at how wide this column is. This is very large. This one's not so large. This one's pretty good. I have this trick where I highlight the column, and then I right click on my mouse. I go down to column width, and here it says 74.75. I like 60. They're all about the same size, and that's pretty nice. Okay, so, well, now what do? I have column A, I have column B, I have column C, but I don't have column E. I'm gonna take my cursor right over the top there till I get those 2 arrows, and it kind of looks like an equal sign or 2 parallel lines. Let me double click on that and see what happens. Oh, I got E, but I don't have D. Did it one more time, and now I have column D there. Oh my, that's so large. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to highlight both of those columns, right click, column width, 60. All right. One of my favorite tricks in Excel is when in doubt, right click. All right, so since I worked on objective 1, everything's entered in, it's amazing. Now I want to hide objective 1, and that's under column B and column C. So I highlight the 2 columns, I right click, and I hide it. So now all I see is objective 2. All right, I have another problem. I can't see rows 2 or 3. I could do the same thing. I could double click. See, I made it look like that cool equal sign. Oh, there we go. Or I could just hit these plus and minus signs to make them expand all. So if I hit plus, it means make it bigger. If I hit minus, that means make it smaller. Oh no, I can't read everything. Here's one trick that I often do is I could highlight the whole thing and then just do a quick double click at the top. And now suddenly my rows are all open and readable, and I can see everything that I need to see in column A so that I can read those instructions and I can enter in my formulas into column D and column E. So that's kind of a basic overview for network capacity. Information and referral looks exactly the same. In this example, I put in a couple of demonstration fields. And child and family, that one is pre-populated with sample material as well. You would just copy and paste on top of that, or you could delete, clear the data. Again, right click, clear contents, and now it's gone. And I can do Control Z to bring it back. Easy peasy.